Hello guys, this is the BD, and our program for today is how to convert the temperature of Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's see. This is the running program. So enter the Celsius because it's Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's enter the Celsius. Let's try if it is 36 degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit is 96.80 Fahrenheit. The conversion result. So this is the source code, guys. It's a header in the main. Use float because float variable, because it's already known that we need some decimals, and it's float because yeah, that's the temperature. Printf, this is a printf so because we can output the text in our running program source codes, and scanf so we can hold or we need an input from the keyboard, so you use scanf. So here we use %f because it's a float, and a Celsius because we need the Celsius variable or Celsius variables to hold the what kind of number you need or temperature that you need to convert to Celsius. So 36, and this is the formula on how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius, that was from the input of the keyboard, times 9.0 divided by 5.0 plus 32, and the answer is the Fahrenheit. And we need to print out the answer, and it is %2f because we need only 2 decimal. You can use anything if you need how many decimal you want, and the Fahrenheit because it is the answer input. And this is how the program works. I just give it a comment. Okay, and the next step is the Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's try. So how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius? So here, enter the Fahrenheit. So let's see, 96.80. So it must be 36 degrees Celsius. So yeah, again we need to float it here. Fahrenheit and Celsius float variables. Print up so we can have some text here. And scanf because we need some input from the keyboard for the Fahrenheit because now we need the Fahrenheit to convert it to Celsius. And %f again because we're using float, and this is a formula of Celsius. Celsius equals Fahrenheit in the keyboard, and it's 32 times 5.0 divided 9.0, and then we need to output the result is 36 degrees, and again we use the 0.2 because we only need two decimals, and I use this is the variable of the answer. Yes, we're using it as the answer of the Celsius so as we convert the Fahrenheit. And yeah, this is the program is all about how to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Thank you for listening.